In the last video, we looked at changing aesthetics mapping. In this video, we're going to take a look at using geom_point, geom_line, making stack bar chart, and creating histogram and density plot. In ggplot2, the marks shown on the chart are called geometric objects. We can use geometric objects such as lines and dots to produce various chart types. Before starting, ensure you have stored sample_sum in your R environment. Let's go through some steps to create a geometric object in ggplot2. First, create a scatterplot with the geom_point function. Let's create a scatterplot. Here we've used geom_point. Here we set shape and size in aesthetic mapping to change the shape and size of the point. You can see the output. Next, use the geom_line function to plot a line chart. Here we specified line type to dashed. You can also specify it as blank, solid, dotted, dot dash, or ling dash. To change the bar chart layout, configure the position option with the geom bar. Now use the geom_bar function to make a stack bar chart. This is the geom_bar function. Here you can see the output. Setting the position to stack will stack elements on top of one another. When we set the position to fill, we can draw a stacked bar plot with normalized bar height. Let's set the position to fill. Here's the output with Alberta and British Columbia provinces. By configuring position to dodge, we can arrange the bars side by side. Let's set the position to dodge. Here we have the output. The bars are side by side. Also, we can use the geom_boxplot function to present a box plot. Let's use the geom_boxplot function. To present the box by province, we configure x equals province. You can see the box plot in the output. Let's see how to plot the probability distribution of a dataset. Moreover, one can use the geom_histogram function to create a histogram. Set seed, norm.sample, creating a data frame, using data frame function. Now we use the ggplotHistogram function to create histogram. Here's the histogram. Finally, we can make a density plot with the geom_density function. Let's make the density plot. Here we can see the density plot, created using geom_density function. The ggplot2 package doesn't provide any specific geometric objects that can be used to make a pie chart. However, one can create a pie chart using the coord_polar function to make a stacked bar chart in polar coordinates. First, generate the total sales amount of each province by using deployer. This is the line of code for that. Now, add head sample stat. Here you can see the output. Next, we'll create a bar plot using the geom_bar function. Let's call g, the variable we just created over here. You can see the bar chart with geom_bar, the function we've used here. Last, use the coord_polar function to create a pie chart from the stacked bar plot. There's the pie chart we just created. Great! In this video, we've learned how to use geometric objects to make scatterplot, making stacked bar chart, and creating histogram and density plot. In the next video, we'll learn about performing transformations.